Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to unleash the ultimate treasure map to making money online. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative genius, or just someone eager to level up their income game, this video is tailor-made for you. From quirky side hustles to serious cash cows, we're exploring the most fun and creative ways to earn money right from the comfort of your favorite pajamas. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into the goldmine of online opportunities. Starting an online business. Why settle for just making money online when you can be the boss of your own thriving online empire? Start your very own online business and watch the cash flow in. Thanks to fancy e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, becoming an online store owner is a piece of cake. Just set up shop, sell your stuff, and watch the magic happen. When diving into the world of online business, it's crucial to lock onto a bullseye target market and truly get what makes them tick. Understanding their desires and demands is the name of the game, my friend. It's not just about knowing your competition, it's about showing them who's boss. Stand out from the crowd and make them wonder how you do it. Dropshipping. Dropshipping, the hippest business model in town, is all about selling products online without the hassle of inventory or shipping. It's like having your own online store without storage headaches. Why bother with the hassle of stocking inventory when you can have the supplier do all the heavy lifting? Sit back, relax, and let them ship products directly to your customers. And the best part? You get to pocket the sweet difference between the wholesale and retail prices as your profit. No need to break the bank to get started. That's just one more advantage in our arsenal. As your business blossoms, you can expand your product lineup and welcome more suppliers to the party. Affiliate marketing. It is the ultimate hustle where you flex your marketing skills to promote other people's goodies and rake in those sweet commission dollars for every sale you make. If you want to crush it in the world of affiliate marketing, you've got to hunt down those perfect products or services that totally vibe with your niche and target market. Oh, honesty and transparency are key when it comes to promoting products. And let's not forget about giving your audience some serious value. Freelancing. Ah, the glamorous life of freelancing. No boss, no set schedule, just you and your laptop, conquering the world. If you've got a killer skill or talent that can be done from the comfort of your own home, why not unleash it as a freelancer? It's time to put those remote capabilities to work and start offering your services to the world. It's a wild ride filled with writing, graphic design, web development, and virtual assistants. These popular services are always in demand and ready to make some freelance magic happen. So, if you're looking to dive into the freelance world, these are the gigs that will have clients knocking down your virtual door. If you want to rock the freelance world, you gotta strut your stuff with a killer portfolio and a crystal clear grasp of your rates and services. Oh, and let's not forget the importance of being a smooth talker with clients and a master of meeting deadlines. It's all part of the gig, my friend. Online surveys. Get ready to answer a barrage of questions from the comfort of your own screen. It's like a virtual game show. Did you know that companies are actually eager to hear your thoughts on their products and services? It's true. And guess what? You can even get paid in cold hard cash or awesome gift cards just for sharing your opinion. How cool is that? So why not make your voice heard and earn some sweet rewards while you're at it? Just a friendly reminder that online surveys won't make you a millionaire, but they're a nifty little side hustle for some pocket change. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is like hitting the jackpot in the digital realm. If you've got some serious skills or knowledge that people are itching to learn, you can turn that into some sweet cash flow. Whether it's unraveling the mysteries of math, decoding the secrets of science, or mastering the art of English, you've got the knowledge to share. And if you've got a special skill like programming or photography, why not sprinkle some of that magic dust on eager learners too? If you want to rock as an online tutor, you gotta break it down in a way that's as smooth as butter and keep those students hooked on your every word. Rent out your home. With the rise of Airbnb and VRBO, it seems like everyone and their neighbor is jumping on the rental bandwagon. People are eager to cash in on their homes by offering short-term stays in hot destinations around the world. Why settle for a regular income when you can turn your vacation home into a money-making machine? Rent it out and watch those few $100 roll in. Well, it's pretty obvious that you gotta play by the rules, follow the regulations, and respect the local laws. Doing your homework will save you from unpleasant surprises. If you're thinking about going down this road, you better bring your A game when it comes to paying attention to the nitty-gritty details. Build a mobile app. Trying to make a splash in the world of mobile apps is like trying to climb Mount Everest with a crowd of climbers blocking your path. It's a tough gig, my friend. The real challenge isn't in the creation process, but in the tricky world of marketing. With billions of dollars at stake and users from all corners of the globe, it's no wonder that building an app is so enticing. If you're gonna make a smartphone app, make sure it's worth its weight in gold. Well, if you want people to whip out their wallets for in-app purchases, you better make sure your digital product is captivating enough to grab their attention. Before you dive headfirst into this money-making opportunity, why not take a moment to do some thorough research? Trust me, a little extra knowledge can go a long way in making those dollar signs multiply. Start a podcast. Podcasts and blogs are like the dynamic duo of side hustles in this digital age. They're like Batman and Robin, but for your creative endeavors. Podcasting, just like blogging, is a fabulous way to rake in some cash. Once you've discovered your special niche, it's smooth sailing to zero in on your audience and dives headfirst into the wild world of affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Once you've built up a loyal following, you'll have the power to connect with marketers who are a perfect match for your niche. It may take some time, but trust me, it'll be worth the wait. And there you have it, Digital Dollars Adventurers. A glimpse into the fantastic world of making money online. The beauty of it? There's something for everyone. So, whether you're chasing quick cash or building a long-term empire, embrace the fun and creativity of the digital realm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite money-making methods with us in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep making money.